Jai Hind, of course, not a good day to interact with all of you. 8 December 2021, an incident which shocked the nation. An helicopter crashed in which the CDS General Bipin Rawat, along with his wife and 11 other persons, except Group Captain Varun Singh, none other could made out of this accident. We'll talk about the Mi-17 V5 chopper, which is a Russian made, and all the event which happened on this day. I extend my condolences and grief to the family of all the person who are no more and who met with the accident in this tragic accident. The entire world has expressed and extended their grief over the untimely demise of the General Bipin Rawat and the other soldiers in the accident. Let's not forget our soldiers, and one line which I always said, that those who forget their soldier, they are also forgotten by the time. In other words, I mean to say that those who don't acknowledge the services of their soldier, those nations are also forgotten. You can take the example of Afghanistan. You can take the example of many other nations who has not acknowledged their soldier and their services. They are vanished, or they will be vanished, and they will be no more, and they will become in history. So it's always much important to acknowledge their services and to motivate the youth and to inspire the rest of the people, because these are the soldiers who stands for all of us, and because of their uprightness and because of their sacrifice and because of their present sacrifice, and they stood always on the border so that their people can sleep peacefully. People used to mock, people used to pass sarcastic comments over the soldiers if they found any loophole in their services or in their duties sometimes. After all, soldiers are also the people, and the only man who makes no mistake is the man who never does anything. And if a man is doing something, it's very obvious, and it's important, and it's into the routine, and it's into the human nature and human tendency. I'm not much talking about the mistake. I'm just saying that it's quite easy to laugh over someone other mistake, but it's hard to work what the other did, and it's quite hard what someone has achieved. You don't know how long and how much hard work is behind that achievement. General Bipin Rawat was one of the best soldiers of our nation, and I salute and I express my grief, heartily condolences towards the family of the General Bipin Rawat. He has two daughters. The pathetic thing is that nowadays, whenever an official who visit with their family, the incident which happened quite few days back, in which the Assam Rifle Colonel and his wife and his 8-year son was also martyred in an encounter with the Naxals. So today we'll talk about the Mi-17 V5 helicopter and the entire incident, how the entire incident happened, and what are the aftermath after this incident. So stay tuned and stay connected, and the video is going to look quite long, and you can appreciate, you can like if you like our channel, and you can subscribe if you want to see the more video over. Confirmation of their death was received in the evening around 6:30 p.m. Since then, a lots of things are going on. Shortly after the Mi series chopper took off from the army base in Solor, the incident happened just before the landing, and the landing was just supposed to be done after the 10 minutes. The Mi-17 V5 helicopter with CDS General Bipin Rawat on board, which met with the accident near Connor. An inquiry in this regard has been ordered to ascertain the cause of the incident, and lots of theories are going on what could be the reason. Anyway, the union cabinet has gone through with the CCS, and the Raksha Mantri Rajnath Singh has briefed Prime Minister on the incident, although Prime Minister has also tweeted, and the all the other dignitaries has already tweeted and they have expressed their grief. Meanwhile, people are just talking about what are the cause, what could have been the theory, what could be the reason, and they are trying to ascertain that how is such a important personality VVIP helicopter could met with an accident. Defense Minister visited CDS Bipin Rawat residence to brief the family of the current situation, and they expressed their condolences. While the exact cause behind the crash is not yet known, and the official sources said that there might be some accident which happened due to poor visibility because the weather was not clear. It was a heavy fog. Maybe just prior to the landing, it was not assured that where to. Maybe the weather could be a reason.